start. Today we made a horror game in Roblox Studio which took a lot of coding and a lot of animations. Here is the backend part where you can see the code part and modify it for your preferences. The front end part, which is the animations and the map, my partner Vishnu will explain.
So the front end part is basically the output of all the code which we have written in the backend. So basically here I used software called as Moon Animator for the animation, and here we are using a keyframes to move the object. So the object moves by the keyframe. The keyframe is basically the object's movement per second. Here we can see all the keyframes and the time which is taken for the object to complete its animation.
As you can see, this is a prefix tree.
Okay.
So down are the root words. Now these are the prefixes.
Okay.
You have to add this correct prefix to the correct root word, and then you get an instant fruit.
We both made a project about seed germination. Do you know how plants grow, Samruddhi?
Yes, I know. By the seeds only, right?
Yes. I hope you know what is seed germination.
Yes, of course I know. Germination is a process by which a seed develops into a young plant. Do you know what does it require?
Yes, it requires air, water and sunlight.
The first part to come out of the seed is root. Do you know why, Rishwita?
Yes, because the root is the main part of the plant which supplies water and minerals.
Next, it gives shoot. Then you'll see the appearance of leaves and also the appearance of fruits.
So you can see that the seed plays a major role in this process.
That is why this process is called the alternation of generation.
मैं आज आपको विशेषण के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ। विशेषण वह शब्द है जो संज्ञा या सर्वनाम की विशेषता बताता है। यह किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु, स्थान या चीज के गुण, संख्या या अवस्था को दर्शाता है। उदाहरण 3 किताबें, लंबा लड़का और सुंदर फूल। आज मैं बताने वाली हूँ पुराने सामान के बारे में। इसको बोलते हैं मटका, इसका नाम खटिया, सूप, सिलाई मशीन, स्त्री।
असम के त्योहार ये साल में 3 बार मनाए जाते हैं।
रुगाली बिहू ये बैसाख महीने में मनाए जाते हैं। भोगाली बिहू ये माघ में मनाए जाते हैं। कोगाली बिहू ये कक्षत्र में बनाए जाते हैं। Hello, I'm Zora of grade 7 from BS International School. Today I'm going to speak about an important topic called water treatment. Water is very essential for the living beings. We use water for drinking, cleaning, washing, etc. We get water from lakes, rivers, which is very bad and pollutant. Small dust particles, harmful chemicals and all mixed in it because of the factory. So we need to purify the water. We need to clean the water to use with the right time and for our daily lifestyles.
So the character is the mom and the baby.
Time is Sunday morning and place is home.
And the problem is the baby is missing.
And the solution is searching.
So this is all about how you created a story with the help of the character, setting, problem and solution.
Indie Global Campus Trails.